where architecture meets divinity, a palace sculpted from dreams and light. Today, you're about to witness one of the most extraordinary homes ever built. But before we begin this journey, make sure you subscribe right now and turn on the notification bell, because what you're about to see is not just a mansion, it's a masterpiece of human imagination, power, and prestige. This is the residence that redefines opulence from every possible angle. A home that belongs to none other than Donald Trump. And while many call it a billion-dollar fantasy, the truth is even more astonishing. This palace is valued at nearly $1.2 billion, a figure that truly reflects the rare level of grandeur and craftsmanship within these walls. This is not simply a house, it's a kingdom in itself, a dream sculpted into reality. Standing tall under the golden skyline, the mansion radiates an aura of timeless magnificence. Every curve, every arch, every shimmering reflection of light across its polished marble surfaces tells a story of power, legacy, and elegance. The architecture feels alive, as if the very stones breathe with pride. This is a place where craftsmanship meets artistry, and every detail has been carved not just to impress, but to inspire awe. The vast corridors stretch endlessly like royal pathways, and the exteriors glimmer under sunlight like liquid gold. It's the kind of home that makes time stop for a moment, where silence feels sacred and grandeur becomes the language of the air itself. High above the world lies serenity, an infinity pool that floats at the edge of the sky. Here, water and air merge into one breathtaking horizon. The reflections shimmer endlessly, as if heaven itself had poured its light into this tranquil space. This rooftop escape isn't just luxury, it's freedom. Every ripple of water reflects peace. Every gentle wave mirrors perfection. It's where the sky bows down to meet the art beneath it, and the result is pure magic. As night descends, the palace transforms into a dream carved in gold and candlelight. Dine beside cascading waterfalls that seem to whisper poetry in motion. The air is scented with warmth. The glow of the chandeliers dances across crystal glasses, and each arch frames a view that could belong only to royalty. Every dinner here feels like a royal affair, timeless, intimate, and deeply poetic. It's a symphony of elegance and water, a moment where nature and architecture dine together in harmony. The leisure spaces within this palace carry the same level of refinement. Imagine walking into a bowling alley, not of flashing lights and plastic lanes, but one sculpted in marble and bathed in golden light. Chandeliers hang above polished floors, and even play becomes a form of art. This is where elegance meets entertainment, where luxury refuses to rest, even when you do. Every inch of this space celebrates the rare balance between leisure and lavishness, turning every simple act into a statement of grace. Then comes the cinematic paradise of the lounge and bar area, a setting so regal it feels almost unreal. Every curve of the marble counters, every carved detail on the walls, and every chandelier above tells the story of indulgence. The glow of the lights reflects off polished stone surfaces, creating an atmosphere where art and opulence are inseparable. Here, even a single sip feels like an event, a toast to grandeur itself. This is not just a bar, but a sculpted experience where every moment is steeped in craftsmanship and beauty. The bedroom, a masterpiece in its own right, is where serenity and splendor find perfect harmony. This is not simply a place to rest, it's a sanctuary where dreams sleep under the shelter of divine design. The carvings are delicate yet powerful. The fabrics whisper luxury with every fold, and the glow of the soft light wraps you in an aura of peace. It's a room that makes you feel not just comfortable, but cherished, as if the very walls are built to protect your dreams. Even the fitness center within this palace is extraordinary, a sculpted haven of power and precision. Here, strength meets sophistication. Every surface gleams with polished perfection. Every corner reflects discipline and design combined. This is not an ordinary gym, it's a temple of transformation where every workout feels like a royal ritual. The attention to detail here is astounding. From the custom lighting to the marble textures surrounding the equipment, everything screams refinement and control. And when you take a step back and look at it all, the pools, the chandeliers, the corridors, the waterfalls, the art, you realize this house is not just built of stone and steel. It's built of vision, ambition, and the desire to live beyond the ordinary. With a valuation exceeding $1 billion, this residence stands as one of the most majestic homes on the planet, a symbol of status and a celebration of the human ability to dream at an unimaginable scale. So if you've been inspired by what you've just seen, if you believe architecture can be divine and luxury can be eternal, make sure to subscribe, share this video with your friends, and join our community of dreamers and design lovers, because this is only the beginning. Every week we uncover the world's most breathtaking masterpieces, from palaces that touch the clouds to villas that float on water. This is where architecture meets art and dreams meet reality. Until next time, keep dreaming big, keep living beautifully, and remember, true luxury isn't just seen, it's felt.